Hey traders, have you ever felt like your trading growth is moving at a snail's pace? You're not alone. It's a common feeling, but guess what? It's okay. Trading can be tough, and sometimes it feels like no matter how hard you try, you're just not getting anywhere fast. I've been there too. When I started trading, I thought I'd be raking in profits within weeks, but the truth hit me hard. Trading is a skill, and skills take time to build. Think about it like learning to play guitar or getting good at basketball. You don't become a pro overnight. It's a journey. And that's what we're here to talk about today. Why your trading growth feels slow and why that's totally fine. First, let's get one thing straight. Trading progress isn't linear. It's not like you start at point A and just shoot up to point Z in a perfect line. No way. It's more like a wild ride with twists and turns. You have days where everything clicks and you feel unstoppable. Then you have days where nothing works and you wonder if you'll ever figure it out. That's normal. It's part of the process. Picture your trading journey like a roller coaster. There are highs that pump you up and lows that test your patience, but every single part of that ride is teaching you something valuable. Here's a big idea to wrap your head around. Just like a setup in the market, our skills often need to consolidate before they can break out to the next level. Think about how price moves in trading. It doesn't just rocket up all the time. It pauses, it consolidates, it builds strength before it makes that big move. Your skills are the same way. When you're in that consolidation phase, it might feel like you're stuck, like you're not growing. But what's really happening is you're laying the groundwork, you're sharpening your edge, you're learning from mistakes and getting stronger. Then one day, boom, the breakout comes and you realize all that time wasn't wasted. It was preparation. Now, let's be real. We all want to see results fast. Who doesn't want to be a trading rock star right away? But here's the truth. Things are always going to take longer than you want. So don't stress when they do. It's so easy to get frustrated when progress drags, but stressing out doesn't speed it up. Think about this. They say it takes 10,000 hours to master something. Trading might not need that exact number, but the point is, it's not a sprint. It's a marathon. Every hour you put in, every trade you analyze, it's an investment in your future self. So, when things feel slow, don't beat yourself up. Remind yourself you're on the path, and that's what counts. So, what do you do when growth feels sluggish? Here's the key. Focus on the variables you can control and let time do its thing as a guide. You can't control the market. You can't control how fast your brain picks up new concepts, but you can control your effort. You can control your discipline. You can control your mindset. Spend your energy on what's in your hands. Work on your trading plan. Stick to your rules. Keep learning from books, videos, mentors, whatever works for you. Those small, consistent steps, they add up over time. And time, well, it's like your silent partner. It's working with you even when you don't see it. Let's wrap this up with something to keep you going. The next time you're feeling down about your progress, take a moment to look back. How far have you come already? Maybe you're not where you want to be yet, but you're not where you started either. Celebrate those little wins. The time you stuck to your plan, the trade you walked away from because it didn't fit your rules. Those are victories. Every great trader you admire started right where you are. They had slow days, they had doubts, but they kept pushing. And so can you. Your breakthrough is coming. It might be around the next corner or a few corners away, but it's there. Trust the process, keep showing up, and know that slow growth is still growth. You've got this. If this video resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more insights to help you on your trading journey. And hey, drop a comment below. Let me know what part of your trading growth you're working on right now. Let's support each other and keep pushing forward together.